In today's competitive e-commerce world, reducing your total cost of ownership isn't just about tech stacks or cloud savings, it's about user experience. Let's break it down. First, prevent errors/support costs. When UX is clunky, users get confused. Confused users mean more mistakes, more tickets, more time wasted. But with smart usability testing, you can fix the friction before it hits your backend. Second, build for flexibility, not frustration. Rigid platforms create future debt. Modular, UX-forward design lets you evolve without starting from scratch. Third, recover lost margins by reducing abandonment. 53% of users bounce if a page takes over 3 seconds to load. That's not impatience, it's lost profit. Optimize load times, simplify steps, use clear progress indicators. Especially in B2B, onboarding isn't just for customers, it's for your teams too. Intuitive UX reduces learning curves, lowers support dependency, and gets everyone up to speed faster. And fifth, great UX doesn't just save money, it makes money. Frictionless flows, smart CTAs, micro interactions that guide users without them even realizing it. Bottom line, better UX equals lower TCO. At Echidna, we specialize in UX-led digital transformation that saves costs and scales growth. Ready to uncover hidden savings? Start a conversation with our experts today.